Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking a little bit about this hair while I straighten it. Right now I've just had it like in a ponytail for like the past 4 days. Bear in mind I went to the gym yesterday as well, and I haven't really done much to this hair, so first of all it's already lit. But yeah, I'm just going to straighten it quickly. I don't want it to be bone straight or anything because I quite like this kind of effortless look going on right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got this hair done by the amazing team at Chit Beauty Studios in London, and I'm going to leave all the information below because their hairline, they literally snatched my hairline to filth. But I'll leave all the information in the description box. This hair is from PEERLESS hair. This is 4 bundles of 24 with frontal as well. I'm going to leave the details here. But yeah, this hair, sis, she said she bleached it 4 times to get this hair colour. No, she bleached it 3 times. And why is it still so bomb? I don't understand. She was like, it didn't fry, like this hair is such good quality. And she didn't even know like this was a collab or anything. Like she literally was just like, wow, what hair is that? It's so amazing. And she's a whole hairstylist. So, I mean, PEERLESS is a mode. Like, it's actually a mode. Super easy to straighten. And imagine this is body wave hair, and it's this easy to straighten. And my straighteners are trash. They're literally trash. So yes, I'm loving this hair. She made it into a frontal wig, of course. I'm literally living for it. You guys have been really loving it. I'm gonna put some clips on when I first got it done because it was literally to die for. I'm just roughly straightening it right now because I'm not going anywhere. Like, I really just put makeup on just to film this video. So, but yeah, how have you guys been? I feel like I want to do a Q&A or something. You can let me know some questions in the description box. I feel like I haven't done a Q&A in ages. Have I ever done a Q&A like just by myself? I do them with my sister, but I haven't really done it by myself before. And what even is that? So you can let me know in the description box. But yeah, so what should we talk about? The royal wedding? Why not? The royal wedding was a mood. Like, a lot of people were like, even me, I was those people that were like, I don't finna care about that wedding. Like, who cares? Like, who actually cares? But then I deeped it. I was like, wait. Sis really came and smashed every single boundary that was in her way. Like, Meghan is not only American, she's half African American. She was an actress. It just goes to show that love conquers all. And there was a lot of like mixed reviews about the pastor that was you know, at the wedding. People weren't really accustomed to that, but I really was feeling what he was saying about the whole, like, imagine, my favorite quote was like, imagine if love was the way. Like, literally as simple as that. Like, can you imagine if everyone just moved in love, everyone talked in love, everyone, like, the actions were all based on love? Like, the world will literally be amazing. We would not have half of these useless wars. I feel like that was the main message, that love conquers all. I really reanalyzed things and I was like, this is actually a monumental moment that just goes to show that love is the way. Like, there's power, there's actual power in love. And I just want you guys, with my fleeky hair, oh, look at that movement, sister. Oh my gosh. I just want you guys to remember that I certainly love you, and if you guys are going through anything, then just like remember, there's people that love you. There's so many people, they're your family members, there's your friends that love you. And I feel like if you concentrate on love more and more every day, concentrate in being loved, being more loving towards people, show somebody that you love them. Go downstairs right now and tell your mom that you love her. I feel like the world would just be such a positive, happy place. Another thing, the world is your oyster. Like, let me put some gloss on. Imagine Meghan, she was divorced. Like, Meghan was a whole divorce, like a couple of years ago. She must have been going through, like, she probably thought her world was ending. People were probably telling her like not to go through with it. God knows what she was going through. But like a couple of years later, and she's getting married to the prince. I mean, well, technically he's a prince, I don't care. Like, to the prince of the UK. Like, what? Whatever you're going through right now, just remember, like, there's better to come, sis. Like, this is not the end. Like, there's, in a couple of weeks, in a couple of months, when you're over this, the world is literally your oyster. I don't know, that was even a message to myself, because I was going through some things, and I was just like, I deep down, I was like, yo, like, the world is actually your oyster. There's 7 billion people in this world. Not even just with relationships, with friendships, with like, just everything. There's 7 billion people in this world, and you're dwelling on a small situation that you'll probably forget about in the next few months. Like, I just want you guys to take that away. Practice love. Yeah, love is the way, y'all. Like, love is the way. I actually feel like a cringe bag, but when I was watching that wedding, I actually got emotional, because I was like, this is so beautiful. Like, this is actually so beautiful. Sis really came and like robbed this England. Sis really came and she said, yeah, I'm gonna be the Duchess of Cambridge. Like, I'm gonna be the Duchess of Cambridge. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Like, Prince Harry loves me, and it is what it is. Like, what can you do, queen? You can't do nothing. Like, you can't do nothing. But yeah, so that was just a little ramble. I didn't even plan to say any of that, but I just thought, even if you take a little something away from this, I feel like that I'm happy with that. Yeah, so I love you guys. I really actually do. Like, you guys make my life. You guys don't understand that you actually make my life, and I just want to say thank you once again for all the support and everything. Especially recently, I've been getting some amazing opportunities, and it's all because of you guys. Like, a year ago, like, I was in a job that I absolutely hated, and like, I was like, look, I don't want to like throw that word out, but I was very sad in that job. But yeah, and I was just like, you know what, I feel like there's more to life than this, and I just took the risk, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do my own thing and see where it takes me. And here we are, sis. Like, here we are, you know, like 110,000 subscribers, and we're still growing. Like, thank you guys so much. And that was literally went left. I'm getting emotional, so let's just move on. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, check this hair out. It's Peerless hair, and it's pretty darn beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.